All right, so AMP is next. I haven't done AMP in a while. I know I did it yesterday, but before that, I haven't done it in a while. The video did okay, so I'm gonna see how these videos do. If a lot of people enjoy these AMP videos, then I'll do them every day. If not, then I'll probably do them like once a week or whenever someone requests them. But the videos that get more views, I know that more people are interested in them, and that's why I do Jasmine every day because people watch that every day. All right, so enough said. Let's talk about AMP. So AMP right now is currently at 4.9. I did say yesterday if you don't hold 4.9, you probably come back down to 4.1. And if you don't hold 4.1, you're going to come down here to where the wicks were at 4 cents even. And if you hold, what did I say, 4.9? Yeah, if you hold 4.9, your next stop is a 382 fib at 5.4. So nothing's really changed since yesterday. But those are the targets. Now, if we want to dive in deeper, because I've already talked about the fibs on yesterday's video, the daily chart on the MACD is kind of going sideways. So I think that probably has a little more upside it could go, but it already looks like it's starting to reverse. So that is not bullish in my opinion. The 12-hour chart is, again, going sideways. It probably could go up here. It looks like it's trying to go up. We'll see if that happens. The 6-hour chart is trying to go up. So maybe on the smaller time frames, you have some bullish momentum. Let's check out the 1 hour. 1 hour is just going sideways again. I guess it's trying to go up a little bit, but nothing crazy. And the 15-minute is definitely just going sideways. So there's really not a lot of bullish price action on the day on those smaller time frames. On the 3-day time frame, it is definitely trying to go up, and that is a nice correction after that big move up on AMP. Let's go back to the price chart. That was a big move up. Now you're coming down. I would say in the 3-day chart, that's the only time or only time frame in the MACD that you can actually say that there's actually a lot of momentum in one direction. I would say in the 3-day time frame, it's actually probably going to start going back up here, which means worst case scenario would probably be 4 cents, and I don't think that happens. So what I'll do now on the date, let's go back to the daily chart. I will draw a red line where I do not think you go below, which would be right here. I don't think you go below. That's a horrible line, but you get the picture. I don't think you go below 4 cents. If you do, it's over for AMP for a long time, and you're probably in a bear market. But if you hold 4 cents, I do think you go higher. You might not even come down below 4. I mean, I would actually say 4.1 would probably be the bottom. I don't even think AMP comes down below 4.5 though. I think you probably hold 4.9 based on the 3-day MACD. But that's assuming Bitcoin keeps going up. If Bitcoin can't hold 46K as support, then obviously AMP probably will retest 4 cents for like maybe a triple bottom or something. So that's all I got at AMP. I do think the 3-day time frame looks bullish, but beyond that, smaller time frames are just going sideways. So I would say long term, this thing is going to go back up. Short term, are you going to have another correction before you do? Because as you see, every time you had a high, it's a lower high. So that is bearish. So what we really want to see is a high above 5.9, 5.8, I should say. If you get above that, then you actually then that's confirmed that a bottom is definitely in at 4 cents. So that's all I got. I think AMP is bullish long term. Short term, you could have another small correction before going higher. But I do think AMP will do well this bull run, assuming Bitcoin gets above 100K, which I do think happens in the next 6 months. That's all I got. See you guys in the next one.